Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ian and welcome back to our Pinoy Metroid channel. So in this episode guys, we'll be doing away with smartphones, tablets, or smartwatches in general. But we will be covering this device here. It's called the D-Link COVR-1100 series. This device is getting popular in the market today since most of us are working from home and students are now in e-learning programs. So this is actually a mesh Wi-Fi router system, and I know most of you are not yet familiar with this line of devices. So that's why we'll be unboxing this one and we'll be doing a review later on. But right now, let me try to explain what is a mesh Wi-Fi system. So okay now, what is a mesh network and how does it work? So basically, it's a localized network topology wherein we have what we call nodes, or a group of networking devices such as switches, bridges, and these devices connect to each other and works together to give the most efficient data to the client. And when we say client, it's your smartphones, tablets, or other smart devices that uses data. So okay, once we got that out of the way, it's now time for the unboxing. Let's go!
Let's go!
So D-Link sent over COVR-1100 series. It comes with two nodes. So this is a AC-1200 dual band whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. It also uses a WPA3 security system, which is very tough and it's hard to crack. So it comes with a very chic box. At the face of the product, we have the COVR-1100 series branding. And at the back, we have some of its important features. We have here the smart roaming, the MU-MIMO Technology, the smart steering, the simple setup. Oh, we have the partner app here. So I think we will be needing this one in order for us to set it up later on. So let's open the box. So first off, we have this documentation here, the quick setup guide. And then we have here the installation card wherein we have the QR code at the back. So I think we'll also be using this one for the setup later. And we have some warranty information here. So I guess this is the nodes. We have two nodes. I like the design actually. It's very minimalist and it's very simple and it's very elegant and wide. I think it can fit in any corners of your home. Actually, bagay siya dito sa table or anywhere in the room because it's wide. So hindi siya masakit sa mata and it's a plus point for me. We have that one and we have another one here. And then what else do we have? We have a LAN cable here. It's quite easy to manage because it's a flat cable. And then we have some power adapters for each nodes that we have here. The nodes come with sleek and minimalist appeal which could instantly fit in your household or home office. So in the case of the COVR-1100, which has two nodes, I think we have to connect the primary node to the existing router that we have there. I think I will have to put this one to the other room so that I can have an extended Wi-Fi coverage in the whole area. So each of these nodes come with a power button, an Internet port, an Ethernet port, and the power jack. Also at the bottom of our node here, we have a reset slot. So setting up the D-Link COVR-1100 is such a walk in the park. You can use the D-Link Wi-Fi app or a web browser. In my case, I use the app because I think it's easier and I experienced no hiccups along the way. After you have downloaded the app, all you have to do is install a new device and follow all the on-screen instructions in the app. To summarize, the setup would want you to connect the primary node to the existing modem or router using the LAN cable. And once the primary node has been configured, you will then be prompted to add the secondary node in the network. So it's also worth noting that the COVR-1100 series makes a different network on top of the existing network that you have at home. So once you have completed the setup, all you need to do is to connect to the mesh network in order for you to take advantage of the benefits of a faster and reliable connectivity. In terms of performance, the D-Link COVR-1100 boasts some sought-after features like smart roaming, which connects you to the strongest signal while you move to different areas in your house. This also eliminates the need to disconnect your existing node and reconnect to another. Aside from the smart roaming, the COVR-1100 mesh Wi-Fi system also comes with smart steering, which automatically steers your devices to the optimal wireless band. So it's either you will be in 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, whichever is more stable or more reliable at the time being. This also ensures you are always connected to fast and reliable wireless band at home. The COVR-1100 also supports MU multiple in multiple out technology for high performance connectivity, even with greater number of connected devices. We tested the mesh Wi-Fi system in our home, the ground floor of which is divided into 3 rooms, which are separated by brick walls. The smart roaming feature seems to be consistent at maximum ISP's prescribed speed as I move from one room to another. So in our case, we get a 25 Mbps plan, and I tell you the 25 Mbps download speed is constant wherever I go around the ground floor of our house. Of course, even with the upload speed, when I try to compare it to our router speed, it's basically the same and it's always constant wherever I go, again, in the ground floor of our house. So the 2 nodes has a limitation. It can only cover up to 325 square meters. And if your house is bigger or larger than that, then you'll have to go with the 3 nodes. The COVR-1100 also supports WPA3, which is tougher in terms of network security as compared to the common WPA2. This wireless encryption is very hard to crack, thus you're assured that you're pretty much safe from hackers. Okay, I said before that this wireless system works in dual band, but there's no way for you to check on what band you are currently connected. And on top of that, it doesn't allow you to force your device to connect on a specific band. I think the parents would also love the parental control feature, wherein you can manage the devices, restrict access, or schedule the time of usage of your kids. So I think this is a very essential feature, especially now that your kids are homeschooling or in e-learning programs. So I think the D-Link COVR-1100 series is a very convincing device. If you're starting to convert an area of your home into a home office or makeshift classroom, I think this should be in your list. For starters, its design is very minimalist and could easily fit in your office corner or on your table. The setup process is also a no-brainer. There are also a bucket full of features that you can take advantage with the D-Link COVR-1100 series. What I love the most is the smart roaming and the smart steering, and of course the parental controls, which the parents would definitely love. But what I like most about the D-Link COVR-1100 series is its consistency in giving seamless home mobility while maintaining your ISP's maximum speed. So geeks, I think that's it for me, and thank you very much for joining me once again in another episode. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and you can also hit that bell notification icon so you will get updated whenever we post new videos. And I think that's all from me for today, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!